Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Hope you're all doing well. I have a project share for you today, but this is a very short video, so I hope that you stay with me till the end of this video. Before going any further, I'd like to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my YouTube family. And to all my longtime friends here on YouTube, thank you again so much for your support. And thank you to those who emailed me to join the Road to 3,000 Subscribers series of giveaways. Tomorrow is the first draw, and if you want to have a chance to win the gorgeous laces and appliques, please follow the guidelines in the series of giveaways video, and I will have the link in the description. So today is all about this journal that I finished for my DT project for Rachandbella Crafts. I used a really lovely kit from Rachandbella Crafts and it's called Mémoires de Paris. And I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. I'm not French, so I will have the title of the kit in the description for you to check. It is really a gorgeous kit and I had fun making this journal using that kit. But then my printer got very low on ink and I had to stop printing. So this journal has no ephemera. And let me show you the tags that I printed with very low ink. It's not that great. So I will have to wait another day when I can go to the store to get an ink. And then I can embellish this journal with tags and journaling cards. But I'd like to still show you the journal because it already has pockets, tucks, and laces and trims. And I am also thinking I may just have a pack of ephemera to go with this journal and not embellish the inside pages anymore. So let us take a look at the cover. This image is from the kit and it is printed on canvas. It is really beautiful and I'm not even giving justice to this gorgeous image because of my lighting. If you want to see how I print on canvas, I have a tutorial which I will also have a link in the description. The closure is a sari fabric which is attached to the cover, and I have this bottle opener skeleton key. I love using this key in my journals now. I have tons of this in my Etsy shop. So the cover is decorated with this very pretty lace, and the spine is also decorated with lace. And these lovely laces are part of the prize for tomorrow's draw for my Road to 3,000 Subscribers series of giveaways. This is also a beautiful trim on the edge, and then I used the kilt fabric as the base for the cover. And so this is very nice to the touch. It's soft, but it is very sturdy. I also stitched the edges and I did not put any title on this cover. So let us take a look inside. So look at these gorgeous images. The end sheets are also canvas and these girls are very pretty, very sweet. I love the images. And this is the back, just decorated with pretty lace. And this is a tuck. Purple, lilac, and soft pink are among my favorite colors. And this journal has plenty of these colors. So I left again the thread hanging. And she is just so pretty. Look at her. This is a tuck. And I have here coffee stained paper. This is an envelope that needs to be decorated. So this has to be matted also. This will be covered by another beautiful image from the kit. This tag is also a tuck. Another tuck here. So you will see here just plain pockets, tucks, and trims and laces. No ephemera. I will let the music play as I flip through and I'll meet you in the end. last page. I really love these laces. Beautiful, and this is also a tuck. So there it is. This is my DT project for Rachandbella Crafts for the month of July. I know I am late because July is almost done. But this is still a work in progress because I will still have to make the ephemeras. And this journal will be a giveaway. This will be part of the Road to 3,000 Subscribers series of giveaways. And I am not sure when this will be given away, but it will be. And I will have another preview when this is ready. I will also have the link of Rachandbella Crafts in my description. Also, Rachandbella Crafts has a giveaway going on, and she is giving away a beautiful journal, the Alice in Wonderland. So please check that out. So this journal is what I have for you today. It's a very simple project, but I really like this. I like the thread hanging like this, but when this is given away, the recipient can just cut them off. Very easy. So thanks again everyone for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel. And if you have not joined my Road to 3,000 Subscribers giveaway, please do join. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. So enjoy this blessed day. Take care. And again, thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.